Most construction estimators waste over 30 hours a week trapped inside a single spreadsheet, retyping numbers, hunting for prices, chasing errors. And one tiny mistake, a wrong rate, a missing line item, a stale price, can blow up your margin, sink your bid, and cost you the whole project. There is a better way. Meet Quantiz, the first AI-native estimating platform built for modern construction teams. It starts with build-up rates. Define your materials, labor, and equipment once. Quantiz calculates the true unit cost instantly, transparently, every single time. No more guesswork, no more outdated spreadsheets. Upload your blueprint. Quantiz reads it. It detects walls, doors, and rooms. It measures areas and quantities in minutes, work that used to take days. One single entry powers 4 outputs: your bill of quantities, your budget baseline, your cost monitor, and your bill of materials. Always in sync, always accurate. Teams using Quantiz close bids 5 times faster, with 30% fewer errors, and full margin visibility on every project. See Quantiz live, a real working app in your browser. Track every cost in real time. Build up rates, bill of quantities, bill of materials, budget, reports, all connected. No spreadsheets, no installs. Just open it and bid. Quantiz, construction estimating reimagined. Try free at quantiz.app.